Hello, I'm Sheila Davies, Director of the Dare County Department of Health and Human Services. The total COVID-19 positive case count in Dare County is 384, of which 25 are considered active cases in Dare County. Of the 384 cases, 210 are residents and 174 are non-residents. Since the last Dare County Department of Health and Human Services update issued Friday, August 7th, there have been 15 new positive cases. Of these 15 cases, 3 are residents and 12 are non-residents. The Dare County website has already been updated to reflect all of these cases. Of the 3 resident cases since Friday, August 7th, 1 of the cases is symptomatic and acquired the virus by direct contact with family members who tested positive outside of Dare County. 2 of the cases are symptomatic. It is unclear how these individuals acquired the virus, which indicates community spread. Of the 12 non-resident cases since Friday, August 7th, 5 of the cases are family members, all symptomatic, who acquired the virus by direct contact with an individual who tested positive outside of Dare County. 2 of the cases are symptomatic and acquired the virus by direct contact with an individual who tested positive outside of Dare County. 4 of the cases are not connected, all symptomatic. All of these individuals acquired the virus by direct contact with individuals who acquired the virus outside of Dare County. 1 of the cases is symptomatic. It is unclear how this individual acquired the virus, which indicates community spread. Contact tracing has been completed on 12 of the cases, and direct contacts provided by these individuals have been identified, notified, and directed to quarantine for 14 days from the last date of exposure with the positive case. The 14-day quarantine requirement is very important to slow the spread of the virus, as the incubation period for this virus is 2 to 14 days. We are working to complete contact tracing on the other 3 new cases. While we saw an increase in hospitalizations this past week, we also saw the smallest increase in new cases since the week of June 15th. We have now had 2 consecutive weeks of reduced numbers of new cases. This is encouraging. However, we must not interpret it to mean the virus is less prevalent in our community. We have seen an increase in compliance with practicing the 3 W's, which we know are proven tools to help us reduce the spread. Please remain vigilant so we can keep this trend of lower case numbers. Please continue to follow the 3 W's to help protect you, your family, and our community from COVID-19. Wear a cloth face covering if you will be with other people. Wait 6 feet apart and avoid close contact. And wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer. Each week we review the 4 key metrics associated with disease investigation and surveillance. The metrics are number of tests, confirmed cases, positive test as a % of total test, and COVID-like illness surveillance. This past week, there were 749 COVID-19 diagnostic tests performed in Dare County by local healthcare providers. This brings the total number of tests performed since early March to 8,240. We had 21 positive cases between August 3rd and August 9th. The % of positive tests to overall tests in Dare County since we started testing in early March decreased again this week for the 3rd week in a row to 4.59%. The % positive to total tests for this past week alone was 2.8%, which is the lowest weekly percentage since the week of June 22nd. Syndromic surveillance of individuals presenting to the emergency department with COVID-19 related symptoms indicated similar activity to the previous week. Local urgent care centers continue to see a high number of patients presenting with COVID-like symptoms. These graphs can be found on the Dare County website at darenc.com/COVID-19. We are partnering again today with Mako Medical Laboratories to host another testing clinic at Dare County Parks and Recreation Center in Kill Devil Hills. Individuals can still register for an appointment for the diagnostic test, the antibody test, or both. Pre-registration is required and can be done by calling 252-475-5008. If you have specific questions regarding COVID-19, please use the resources we have available. We welcome your phone calls at the COVID-19 call center at 252-475-5008, or you may email us your questions at covid19@darenc.com. We use social media as a tool to help share information with the public, but we do not use that as a platform to answer specific questions. Please contact us directly via phone or email if you would like a specific response to a question. We encourage you to stay informed by visiting our website, darenc.com/COVID-19, or visiting the CDC or NCDHHS websites. Again, if you have specific needs or questions, you may also call the Dare County COVID-19 Call Center, open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 252-475-5008. Thank you.